Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be finally installing our home development's rear roll correction kit. Today, I have a track event this Sunday at the firm with the Honda Meets track attack battle. Not a battle, it's like it ain't a battle. But me and the homies Jamil and Lewis, and then we got like a little friendly competition going on. So, but you know, in the respects of like not doing dumb shit, okay? We're just trying to like, you know, race against our times, you know what I mean? By being safe and cautious, you know what I mean? Don't do stupid shit. I have to actually tune this car tomorrow, well, Saturday. Today is Thursday as the time of this recording. So yeah, I gotta get this done today so I can then put on my 12K and 10K springs. And here's the daily in case you're new to the channel. I drive a 2002 Acura RSX Type S. So first things first, raise up the car, remove the wheels, and then I'll show you guys how to install this kit while I watch YouTube videos on how to install this kit. So if you can see, I have the control arm completely off, disconnected from the shock itself right here and from the arm itself. And then what we have to do now is get our grinder tool, and then we're going to grind away this portion of the control arm right here. This bolt hole, I don't know if you guys can see it, hold on. So this right here has to be grinded clean flat. Like we have to cut this off with a grinding wheel and then use our flap disc to sand this smooth. So that's what we got cooking up right now. Safety first. Okay, so in order for us to cut off the bracket on the trailing arm itself, we have to remove this dust shield that protects the rotor. It's a couple 10 mil bolts, one there, two, I think it's like 4 in total. Yeah, four or 5 in total. Pretty sure it's 4. Once we remove this, then we'll be able to access the cutoff wheel onto the bolt to shred it off. Progress! The mastermind Randy built. There we go. Everything is off, the hub's off, shield is off, and then now we can have access to the bolt where I have to cut.
Give me glasses, I'll cut. I'm still sitting here already.
Alright, bro, go ahead, do your thing.
I'm already sitting here, I'm gonna get up.
Okay, dog. Randy taking over the vlog. Grinding away his life, pause. It's time for a break. And what better way to go on break without a word from our sponsors, Kool-Aid Jammers. Once you're finished shaping down the bottom of the control arm, so the inner spline, not spline, but there's an inner groove on the home development kit, you grind that down on the control arm so it fits right up. And then you should have this. So with the hardware provided, I'll show you once I get better, you know, better sceneries. All right, so one side is completely done. I just gotta put in the cap for the axle nut, but Randy went ahead and tackled everything. I just gotta go get a bolt from not a bolt, but a pin from a parts store so I can close my e-brake cable. But everything is situated. Home kit is on. Now we start the other side. And that's it. Pretty solid. All right, so it is indeed the next day. The car is out, ready to go get aligned. Had to raise up the car today after the install because your car do get lower with the kit on. So you make sure you make up for it by raising up the car. Mine's up by 3 inches. And yeah. She's ready to go get aligned. That boy Freddy Bun Bread pulled up. Fred, what you thinking about over there, bro?
Orange chicken Chinese.
Chinese food? At Randy's job, ready for my alignment, and then notice this. No grooves though. There's no grooves there. Well, that's weird. I don't like that. So I'm about to get back. When I get back to the crib, I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with that. But all in all, we're here. Them T's are clap. This got to raise up a little bit. The front's got to come down a little bit. Just do a little bit. Oh no, that's enough travel. But I got slipper spring rates now, and after this, we're gonna lower the front end a little bit, probably like half an inch. Bring that down lower, and then we should be solid. All right, we got the alignment. Everything is tip top. When I get home, I'll show you the graphics on it. But I have to actually get home now to raise up. I mean, not raise up, but to lower the rear end. Randy couldn't do it at the job because he got a bitch ass boss. So. Couldn't do that, but now we're on the way to the crib, and I need gas. Dude, my car's literally on E. Look at that! Look at that! It's on E, dog! Ah! So I am back home. I went ahead and just did everything, bro. I'm like fighting time at this point, but I think I figured out my issue with my brakes. I'm not entirely too sure. You let me know. So this is one of the pads that I was running. This is another pad that I was running. And these are the Willwood. These two are Willwood pads. Well, this is another Hawk pad that I was using. So I ran these bad girls into the ground. I'm assuming. Well, I'm not focusing, but yeah. Pretty sure that I just clapped out the brake pads that I was running. So I put in my Willwood joints that I had, and hopefully I have some Hawk pads in the mail tomorrow. I hope. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. And I realized through editing so far, this is after the track day already, that I never explained the purpose of the roll sensor correction kit. What this kit does is it restores like the relationship between the front and rear of the car. So when you lower your car, right? Let's say when you lower your car, you know, you get camber, you get all this stuff going on, like where you need an alignment when you lower a car. Like your toe need to be aligned for your camber, I guess you really don't have to worry about caster or whatever. But basically, what this kit does, it restores the relationship between the front and the rear. Well, if you do the front kit along with the rear, then it makes more sense. But like with the rear, it just brings it back to stock, like a stock setting of your suspension geometry, but you're still able to be lowered and stuff like that. It just helps. And you know, with my car, I felt like the car was more, it felt like my rear end, of the car was more stiffer in a sense. Like it felt more, damn man, like it just felt more defined. Like it felt like you knew you installed something in the car. Like if you install an X bar in your car to stiffen up the chassis, you feel it. Like during turns or whatever, like you're minimalizing the body roll. And I felt like with the honed rear correction kit, my car felt more like together in the rear. Like it didn't feel like this, it felt more like this. So it definitely helped a lot on the track. I can't wait to release that video to you guys, but I had my first track day of the year yesterday at the firm up in Stark, Florida, Keystone Heights, I guess you would say. And it was amazing. It was an amazing event. The car outperformed my last event big time. So, man, it's great. Huge thank you to my Aussie brothers over at Home Developments for working with me on the Integra and for future plans of the Integra. I'm glad to have their support. If you guys want to improve your car's handling, geometry, brake ducting, all that stuff, be sure to check out the Aussie brothers, that Home Developments, link down below. Check them out, show them some love. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy it, please leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for tuning in for this video, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one with the track video. I'm out. Peace.